Mag-blast dance ka na lang kasi mag-field ka niya mamaya eh. Oo, mag-blast dance ka. Exact. Ay, hindi ka lang dito. So, mag-blast dance ka na lang. Tanggalin mo na yung orange.
Kuya, saan ka na siya?
Rory, step forward, step forward.
Because I would be a dinosaur. Why? Dogs are mabilis.
You guys observe. Still have your time later. So it's easy for you to play. You check the opponent's weakness. Diba? If you're a wide player, you check your wing back. How do you beat them when you go inside?
Coach,
Yes.
Rory, check other side ha.
2 minutes pa.
Check.
saan mas kanya?
Yes.
I'm getting sub in and out. All of us.
Tommy.
Red Tommy.
Strong.
Take.
Not pass.
Corner.
Kasi si Kiel love to slide.
Go shape.
Because he thinks he's
Malakas.
when I was behind sliding.
Go!
So when I kept on sliding I thought I was I forgot to
Rory.
but he
Good, Rory.
tried to tackle something.
Go on.
And he thought
Dani. Check habang sinasunod. Ethan, behind. Ethan, tira for line. Yes, DeAndre. Get him. Yes, okay. Dani. Labas. Away. Pagsa kita. Away. Good. again. Again, Ezekiel. Okay, airball. Go again, atake tayo. Ezekiel, pwesto mo sa taas. Go, go. Odrick, set. Ethan, set. Go, Odrick. Go, Ethan. Ethan is there. Go, slide, Rory. Okay, hanap na kasama, Odrick. Good.
Yes.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Ready.
Okay. Lori. Pwesto ulit. Okay, walang kalaban. Coach, isa lang. Left, switch. Referee.
Go, Mark. Labas lang, pwede na yan.
Good, Blake. Dalawa lang kayo sa likod, ha? Dalawa lang kayo, hindi yan back. Go, Blake. Angat mo na onte. Blake, check other side.
Out.
No turn, Blake. Go, continue, Ezekiel. Okay, very good. Now we attack. Blake. Yes. Okay, who? Go, Blake. Let's go, Blake. Gilang. Very good, Northern. Very good. Arbol. Switch. Left to switch. Dali. Be on the right. Be on the right. Tommy, energy. Okay, now shake. Balik ulit. Habol tayo, ha? Sila lang. Balik atas mo. Sige, nakakalaban. Tommy. Go let him turn. Sige lang. Okay, stand. Yes. Over. Okay, Blake. Again. Not on the middle. Yes. Stronger, Blake. No shots, Blake. Very good. Tommy. Again. Clear it out pag di kaya. Para mag-set. Okay.
Go strong. Good, Ethan.
Not on the corner, Ethan. Yes, better. So step ka rin.
Go through. Dali.
Go, Kali!
Good, Blake.
Tommy, power up. Coach, press tayo. Now step. Support Tommy. Kali's there.
Take it.
One more.
can win. We can win. We can win. Let's go. Winnable ha. Walang goal stick yung keeper. Walang goal stick yung keeper. Abangan yung sita.
Okay, good.
Mahina lang eh.
Push press na.
Winnable. Andyan naman si Blake sa ilalim eh. Help him out! Help him out!
Go, go!
Foul, referee! Tulong, tulong. Stay strong, Blake. Good defending, Blake.
Tommy, takbo, takbo!
Pass. Through. Pass, pass.
In front of the goal, Baba, in front of the goal. Come on, Benny.
Let's go, Ethan. No rush. No, 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 no. Play, play. Don't stop. No fault, Ali. Be patient. One more. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Go, Kaden.
Baba!
Go, Kali. Good break. Defense throw in. Corner. Defense corner.
Baba, in the box. Baba, in the box. Stop, stop.
I mean,
Come on, Tammy, go! Goal! Goal!
Oh, last play, organize.
Ilang minutes, coach?
Tapos na.
Tapos na?
Last play. Time, ref! Time. Keeper. Yes, ref, time. Seconds. Good job.
Danny! Nice game! Danny, pang international ka pala eh!
Boys, shake hands. Go.
Shake hands! Nice one! Nice run! Come on, shake hands! Let's go! Kali!
Good job.
Good job, Kali! Kali! Hi to the video. Hi. Hi to the video. Blake. Andre. Danny. Kali. Kaden.